Hello everyone and welcome to Learn with Chris Design. So in the previous video of this playlist, I mentioned creating another video to talk more on Figma resources, right? Okay, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to get resources from Figma Community and also figcomponent.com. Okay, but before we proceed, I'd like to mention that the resources for this practice project, okay, this resources would be available in the description. Okay, it's good. The file will either be uploaded on a Google Drive or a Telegram channel, right? And there's a video on how you could import Figma file, so you can check it out so you don't have any issues. So let's get back to today's topic. Okay, how do you access the Figma community? Okay, so basically you do that by clicking on the home and click on the community, right? And you can search for anything. Um, right here you can search for mobile UI kits, design system, dashboard design. Okay, so this is basically going to help you learn some design patterns, spacing, some niches in design, and also speed up your design process, right? Okay, so basically what you do when you get here is just simply you click on something you need, right? You could see the preview here to know what's really inside the file, and you just open in Figma. So that's just that for this. Now let's move to um, the Fig components. So you basically go to your browser and search for figcomponents.com. Okay, right, and you get to see a lot of assets, right? Um, let's just search for, let's say, iOS. Okay, you can click on it and you click on copy to clipboard. Once you see that's been confirmed, you now go back to your Figma file. Okay, and you just paste here. Yeah, so you see it's right here, and now we could get this our status bar, the one below, by simply just dragging it out. It's all editable, right? Yeah, so that's that for today's video, right? Now you know how you can exactly find and use free Figma resources like a pro, right? And if you found this helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, turn your notification bell so you don't miss future videos, okay? And if you're new to Figma, as I've been mentioning, you could check out the beginner series playlist so you could get up to speed, right? And thanks for watching and stay blessed.